Jatter's Notes app is straightforward. Save anything you want in a note: lecture notes, important news articles, recipes, and so on. Later, you can easily search and review. Want to save an interesting article or a portion? Highlight, copy, and paste. Save the source by copying the URL. Make the URL clickable like this. Like chats, notes can be deleted by clicking at the right of the screen. What's really cool is that you can easily search for the note. How much cream and sugar is needed for my notes recipe for chocolate mousse? And Jatter delivers. Jatter offers users the ability to save 3 notes. Jatter Plus subscribers can save unlimited notes. So give the Notes app a try today.